Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I am up to. And today I have my Allure beauty box for the month of May 2020. I know this is the first week in June or so, but everything's been coming a little late. So let's get right into the Allure beauty box. Now I don't get this directly through Allure, I get this through Amazon. I don't like dealing with Allure or their customer service, so when I realized I can get it through Amazon, I said, why not? I always enjoyed the box. This box is $15 a month, just like it is on Allure as Amazon. You get at least 2 full-size products every month, every month. I think you get 7 products in total. Some months you get a bonus gift. It just really depends. But like I said, I prefer, Amazon. You get a little pamphlet that does, if I'm correct, gives you prices and a little descriptive of the product, which I love. And then this is what it looks like. So let's open her up and I'll show you a little sneak peek here. And there's this very itchy today. And I'm going to see if I can just find the first item. I'll go in order of the book. Okay, so that appears to be this box, and this is Skin Ink, My Daily Dose of Glow. This is a full-size item? Let's open this up. This appears to be a full-size item. Wow, look at that. Is cool looking. What is this? This is a full-size item. $65. It says it's dotted with colorful encapsulated molecules of moisturizing hyaluronic acid, illuminating vitamin A, and clarifying chlorella. It says you apply, like a small drop to your forehead, your cheeks, and massage in and watch the pink and blue encapsulations burst and blend away. Wow. My usual dry complexion is bouncy and hydrated long past lunch. So she applies it in the morning. I guess you can do AM, PM. Wow, that is so cool looking. Can you see all that? I know you guys can. That is pretty cool. Oh, I'm excited to try that. Anything with hyaluronic acid in it, I'm all about. Vitamins. Sounds like a good thing. $65. No way would I pay $65. That's the beauty of these types of boxes. You get things like that to try, and if I love it, there can always be a purchase, but I don't know if I would spend that kind of money to try it without sampling it first. The next is from AHC, and this is Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. 1 ounce, which this is $28.99. So this appears to be full size. You can get this at Target. So this is an eye cream, and then I sealed on that end. So we'll open this in. My dog always has to play when I'm ignoring her by filming, so she'll play and make a whole bunch of noise. Yeah, so this appears to be full size right there. I'm excited to try that. Wow, Allure. Let's lay these down. Oreo, what are you doing? That's it. I'll get her a stop. So the next thing, when this could be a sample, and this is from VDL. This is Lumilayer Primer. Full size is $32, and this is obviously going to be a sample because the full size is in a glass jar. So, and that is, let me see if I can, when you hold these up to like a bright light behind the camera, I was just trying to shake it down so I could see. Yeah, that is barely like half full. So this is definitely a sample. It says not for sale on the back. So this is an eye primer, I would assume. K-Beauty primer. Let me see. And I did, the full size is $32, and that looks like, that would be like a 1 ounce, and this is real small. This is 5 ml, and the full is 30 ml. Yeah, this is a face primer, not just an eye primer. Face primer. Nice. Okay, and I think you had the choice of either that, I mean, not, we didn't get the choice. There's 2 options and they put 1 in your box. I could have gotten that, which is fine, or the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, which I already have. So I'm glad I got the other product. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel is very, very nice. Oh, it looks like we have a sample from Curology, and they are a very good brand. And this is the moisturizer. Full size is $19.95. This is a sample. Let me see, where's the way in here? So this is, and there is a set if you wanted to get the set from Curology. So this is what it looks like, where you can get cleanser, moisturizer, and a custom treatment cream. So this is just the moisturizer, which, hey, I'll take it. I'm all about moisturizer. Smooth sailing. Okay, made in the USA. So that's nice. Let's get that back in there. Love moisturizers. My skin has been so dry, so I'm happy to have that. And what do we have next here? We have a sample from Acure, and I love these type of containers that you can reseal. And this is the Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root Cleanser. Full size is $12.99, and it comes in a tube. So this is definitely a sample. But I'm not angry at this. There's a good amount in this. But I love the whole resealability of these if you don't use it all in the first try. Wow, I think so far 5 products, awesome. And then it looks like the last product, if I can get it out of here. Tissue up. There we go. Looks like a mask of some sort. So let's see what this is. So here's a mask. And this is from Wen, and it's W-H-E-N. And this is their Glamour Base Sheet Mask with a value of $7. We all know I would never pay $7 for a mask. This is Biocellulose Sheet Mask. Contains 1 mask. Let's see what this, let me see. It's actually made from coconuts. Makes your face feel dewy and bright. It has hyaluronic acid, collagen, peptides. Leaves your skin hydrated, bouncy, and ready for makeup. Okay. Well, I think this is one of the better Allure boxes that I have received. Face mask, Curology, moisturizer, the Acure, anything that's a cleanser, you know, glycolic acid, all that stuff. The AHC cream for your eye cream and face. The VDL primer is pretty awesome. And right here, skin. Is this Skin Ink? Skin Ink. Daily dose of glow. Illuminate and brighten. I am so excited to try that. So, I don't know if this will hold out properly, but this is what the box looks like for May 2020. And I think this is an awesome box for $15. I mean, $65 right here. Pays for months and months of worth of boxes. I'm always happy with this. Yes, it is samples. We do have some full size in here, but like this is a lot of skincare, a lot of hydration and eye creams. And when seasons change, I don't know about all of you, but when seasons change, that's when I get very dry. Some mornings and some evenings I can apply moisturizer and I have to reapply it. It just soaks it right in. My face is so dry. So I love having all this stuff, and if there's things here that I don't think I will get to, I will share them in future giveaways. I throw a few in, you know, I can throw a few in the May box if I want. They have not shipped yet, so that can always, a few of those could still get tossed in there, or put them in the June giveaway box. So whether you get this from Amazon or through Allure directly, you can't lose with this box. In my opinion, I love this, and I've been getting it for a long time. Took a few months off until I realized they were on Amazon, that I could deal with them instead of, like I said, Allure.com. So that is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought. This was a great box, in my opinion. Let me know what you thought. Would you be super excited about any of these products? So I hope everyone is doing well and enjoying the beginning of your summer. And as always, I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye.